Hey, it's Nicole, and for today's nail art look, I decided to freehand some Grinch nails. So I used all gel polish for this and art gel. So keep watching to see how I created this nail art look. So I started off with Tammy Taylor Sea of Roses gel polish. I also used Monogram's Perfect White. And then Flashback from Le Chat Perfect Match. So I put the red on my pinky, my pointer finger, and my thumb as the main color. And I put the white on my ring finger for the base of the Grinch holding the ornament nail, and then the green on my middle finger for the Grinch's face. So this is the third coat of color, and I cured it after applying, and then I applied red to the tip of the green nail for the Santa hat. And then I took white Mission Control art gel to create the little, Dr. Seuss inspired festive holiday stripes. So I did 3 per nail. And I mean, this is easy stripes because you want to make them like squiggly, that's not even a word, squiggly and just kind of all over the place, not straight at all. So it's really easy to do that part because, I mean, there is no mess ups with the stripes. Like, that's just what they are. They're just kind of these messy stripes. So I'm just doing that there. I also lined the bottom of the Grinch's hat with the same kind of stripe and just kind of, pull different loops out, make them bumpy, and then cure that. And then I took black Mission Control just to outline the stripes, and then just add a couple little tiny lines, like kind of distressing almost, just a little bit of extra dimension. And I did that with both of those red nails as well as the little Santa hat nail. So just outline it. This is the harder part of the two, but I mean, it's really not that difficult. It definitely is something you could do. I was a little bit worried going into it too. I'm like, can I make a Grinch face? And then I found like an inspiration for one. I was like, oh yeah, I think I can do it. So you can totally do this. It just takes a little bit of patience and practice. So I cured that after I applied all the black outline, and then I took the yellow Mission Control just to do the little sideways teardrops for the eyes, and then 2 red dots for the pupils, and then I outlined them in black. And you just want to keep a very small amount of polish on your brush to do this outline. And since it is gel and it's cured, if you mess up, you can just wipe it off and try again. And then I did a couple little eyelashes in the nose. And after that, I dragged a line down for the mouth, and then drew out the mouth and little smile lines, and just added some dots and lines here and there, just kind of add a little bit of detail and that kind of thing. And once I did the outline, I cured him because he was all done. So next I took the green gel polish just to do his hand. And so you just start off with the arm coming out to the side and then do his pointer finger and his thumb. And you just want to leave a little bit of a gap to show just the top of his hand, and then some little fingers coming off the side, and then the ornament at the bottom. I chose to do red just to keep it in the right theme because, everything's red and green. And so I just made a circle and then did a little top of the ornament and then the line for the string. And then I outlined his hand, and with this outline you don't want to keep this in straight either. You want to make it kind of wispy just to kind of show a little bit of texture because, the Grinch is like, I don't know if furry is the right word, but that's the only word I can think of. So you want to kind of drag the line out a little bit and make it a little bit fuzzier. And then once that was cured, I took Tammy Taylor Flawless Finish and I applied a nice layer of top coat to all of my nails, and then I realized I forgot to outline the ornament. So I outlined the ornament, cured that, and then I finished the top coating. So simple as that. I know it looks really hard, but it really wasn't that difficult. So you can totally do it. And let me know if you try out this nail art look. So once that was cured, I removed the tacky layer, and there's the final look. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye!